Hi guys, I'm James from Batrium, and today I'll be quickly going over the features we've packed into our latest software and firmware, Build 55. To start, we've introduced more voltage thresholds and better balancing algorithms to get better control of your batteries. We've implemented dynamic charge voltage control, which helps trigger-happy inverters ease up at the end of charging rather than overshoot, for a happy, balanced pack. Additionally, Victron users looking to get the maximum grid feed can use this to keep their PV chargers at full current while making sure their battery doesn't overcharge. We've massively improved CAN bus and Wi-Fi stability, so if you are having troubles on 54, this should sort you out. It turned our in-house test system connectivity from patchy to perfect. We've added a new inverter profile for TBB inverters and have more profiles for the latest inverters on the way. If you're interested in early access to these features, email us at info@batrium.com and we'll let you know how to move up to our latest and greatest. All the best with your battery projects, and see you later.